This website, Mapping Media to the Common Core, gives you some more ideas of different tools and lesson ideas to help you integrate technology into the Common Core. You have you have a visual map of what do you want to do. Is it interactive writing, narrated art, a radio show, photo stories, puppet video, narrated slideshow, visual note-taking, quick edit video, ebook, geomap, simulation, game, or digital story. So if you're looking at your Common Core and your standards and think, okay, well, what would actually fit with what I'm doing? So just say you're looking for a narrated slideshow for a screencast for you or for a presentation tool for a student to explain their understanding of anything. On each page, it basically explains to you what a narrated slideshow or screencast is with a definition. It even gives you a workflow, which basically tells you how you could set something up, depending what tool you use. There's the ongoing use of it and how do you use it. So for example, once you have a screencasting tool used, you can record your screencast and directly publish it on a website or to YouTube. And down at the bottom, it will have the tool name. So look at all these different tools you could use. They will have the platform. So if you see browser, browser means you can use on a computer. Browser iOS is the operating system for iPads or iPhones. Mac, which means it would be for a Macintosh computer. If you see browser, it can be used on a PC or a Macintosh. Mac Windows means it's a Mac or Windows computer. ScreenFlow. So you just kind of have to look. And then you can look at the free, see what's free, see if they have online hosting, see if they export to YouTube. So they give you a nice list of what it does, how you can use it. Then down at the bottom, it gives you the links to the website to find Screener or VoiceThread or SlideShare, the different tools. And then they even have them divided by tools for iPad, iPod, and iPhone apps. And then down at the bottom, they give you some examples of what you could actually do. So I know it's a lot of information, and I'm not going to go through every little step here, but this website is a great website to jump off from, to find different ideas, to find different tools. You will see that there are some tools that I have already shared with you. So let's look at interactive writing, for example. It gives you the definition of what it is. It gives you video examples. And notice they're talking about KidBlog, which is something we talked about. It tells you a workflow, so it gives you some idea of how to get yourself set up. And then there's the tools once again. And notice there are some tools that we already talked about. KidBlog, Padlet, Lino. So some of the things are things that you've seen, and some of the things are new. Once again, there's Edmodo. And then there's examples of activities that you can do. So it can get your mind going. So it's another resource for you to explore. Mind mapping to the Common Core. I'm sorry, mapping media to the Common Core.